clean the surrounding area. The mini drill is for opening the airways. Use a woodpecker action and avoid drilling into the plastic laminate. Using the Mighty Vac on full vacuum to remove any moisture in the brake. Set up the jig. Centralize the jig using the probe. Add 0.25 milliliters of image cracks-filled polyresin into the injector. Connect the Mighty Vac and proceed through the pressure and vacuum cycles. Remove the jig from the screen, catching any surplus polyresin with the curing film and place over the repair area. Cure off with the UV lamp. Remove the film and scrape off any surplus polyresin using a single-sided razor blade held at 90 degrees to the glass. Fill the impact area with a single drop of image pit-fill polyresin. Cure and clean off any surplus to leave a flat finish. Polish with image pit polish to give that transparent glass look.